Hello friends. Welcome to Easy Data Fundamental. In this video, we will see types of programming. So let's get started. In this video, we will see these 5 types of programming and corresponding their programming languages. So let's learn. Number 1. Procedural programming. A procedural programming is a sort of computer programming that has a set of functions, instructions, and statements that must be executed in a certain order. To accomplish a procedural language program is broken down into statements, functions, variables, and conditional operators. They use variables, conditional statements, and functions that permit a computer to process and provide the desired output. Computer procedural languages include BASIC, C, Fortran, Java, and Pascal. I hope you all are with me. If you understood procedural programming, then write understood in comments section. Number 2. Functional programming. Rather than focusing on the execution of statements, functional programming focus on the output of mathematical functions and evaluations. Each function, a reusable module of code, performs a specific task and returns a result. Some popular functional programming languages are Scala, Erlang, Haskell, Elixir, and F#. Now, before going to number 3, if you are new on my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest video notification. Number 3. Object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming treats a program as a group of objects composed of data and program elements, known as attributes and methods. Objects can be reused within a program or in other programs. This makes it a popular language type for complex programs, as code is easier to reuse and scale. Some common object-oriented languages include Java, Python, PHP, Ruby, and C++. Number 4. Scripting programming. Scripting programming are programming languages designed for integrating and communicating with other programming languages. Programmers use scripting languages to automate repetitive tasks, manage dynamic web content, or support processes in larger applications. Some common scripting languages include PHP, Ruby, Python, Bash, Perl, and Node.js. Number 5. Logic programming. Logic programming is a programming based on formal logic. In logic programming, programs are written as sets of logical statements, and computation is performed through logical inference. Instead of telling a computer what to do, a logic programming language expresses a series of facts and rules to instruct the computer on how to make decisions. Some examples of logic languages include Prolog, Absys, Datalog, Alma, Zero. I hope you understood this 5 types of programming. See you in next video. Before that, if you like my video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.